sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But the train keeps a-rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. All right, go. Explosive from the fancy dining car, they're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming, but I know I can't be brave. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. One time. They freed me from this prison if that railroad train was fine. Well, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, well, that's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.